Lesson 20, Punctuations. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Punctuate this paragraph. Nawaz is one of the most laid-back people I know. He is tall and slim with black hair and he always wears a t-shirt and black jeans. His jeans have holes in them and his baseball boots are scruffy too. He usually sits at the back of the class and he often seems to be asleep. However, when the exam results are given out, he always gets an A. I don't think him as lazy as he appears to be. Let's observe analytical skills. Let's look at the following two sentences. 1a. The man, said Deepak, is a clever boy. B. The man said, Deepak is a clever boy. 2. A. Priyanka said, Mother, you have forgotten to do your schoolwork. Or B. Priyanka said, Mother, you have forgotten to do your schoolwork. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. We observe that the words used in both the sentences are the same, but their meanings are quite different. The first sentence in both the groups seems absurd. That's why punctuation marks are important in the sentences. So, we see that the wrong use of stops or its omission change the entire meaning of a sentence. The art of using the proper noun, the stops or points in correct places in position, is called punctuation. Kinds of punctuations. Punctuation marks. Usage. Examples. Capital letters. To begin sentences, to begin words that are proper nouns, derived from proper nouns, initials, titles. When a proper name follows, it is my bicycle. Madhu. Mumbai. Bharat. President Draupadi Murmu. ISRO. The tribute. Full stop or period. Marks the end of an assertive or imperative sentence. In abbreviations follows most initials. I like studying English. Rev. Professor M.K. Gandhi. Question mark. Marks the end of a direct question. Marks the end of a question tag. How are you? You will come, won't you? Exclamation mark. Marks the end of an interjection or an exclamatory sentence. Oh! How pretty! What a beautiful lady she is! Comma. Separates three or more items in a list, gives a pause in a sentence. I ate a pizza, an ice cream and a burger. Hello, how are you today? Apostrophe. Shows belonging or ownership, shows missing letters in a contraction. Renu's bag. Teacher's desk. Won't. Speech marks or quotation marks. Go around what is being said in direct speech. Hello, she said. Will you be my friend? Semicolon. Separates two independent clauses when one or both of the clauses are short and the ideas expressed are very related. Separates groups of words that are themselves separated by commas. I have a test tomorrow. I can't go out now. Please buy bread, milk, and cheese from the corner shop, a juice, apple, and oranges from the market. Colon. Provides additional details and explanation after subject or in formal letters used like a comma to introduce a quote. I have two hobbies, skiing and reading. Subject. A wise man asked, why should we live in a hurry? Hyphen. In compound words, duty-free, noun plus adjective, snow-capped, noun plus participle, good-looking.